D-Mark got that heat.
I'm used to these rainy days. I'm used to these rainy days.
This is what it is.
Drop. No, I ain't gon' fucking do it. Your chance, you already blew it. Pay no attention, losing. No, don't wanna go back in my game. I'll run it if it means the same. This thunder booms, but I'll make it fucking rain. Think don't speak on my name. I'm used to these cold and rainy days. Can't cheat, but you want the fame. Don't wanna go back in my game. I'll run it if it means the same. This thunder booms, but I'll make it fucking rain. Step forward one day in my shoes. My love is strong, but it's not for you. If you didn't lie, you wouldn't make me choose. Damn, you crazy, but you acting a fool. Work hard every day to fucking tool. This working hustle, I'll make it move. Make it through my struggles, but the way can't lose. Tired of shit, cause we always fighting. Arguing hard like death struck lightning. You want my love, but you stay denying. Every night my itch sweet sob shit crying. Damn, why can't you just leave me alone? Endless nights fighting, staying on the phone. Listen to you screaming like rock star. Don't just cause you cry, don't mean you're coming home. Just go on by, don't ever waste all my time. Just go on by, don't ever waste all my time.
Don't ever waste it.
Hey,
It's like this pain is just something that people don't understand. You gotta put it to your own words. Else they're not gonna hear you, they're not gonna feel you, man. And they're not gonna feel you. How do you expect them to understand you?
D-Mark got that heat.
Drop. No, I ain't gon' fucking do it. Your chance, you already blew it. Pay no attention, losing. No, don't wanna go back in my game. I'll run it if it means the same. This thunder booms, but I'll make it fucking rain. Think don't speak on my name. I'm used to these cold and rainy days. Can't cheat, but you want the fame. Don't wanna go back in my game. I'll run it if it means the same. This thunder booms, but I'll make it fucking rain.
They don't understand nothing. Gotta put it out there. So I hope y'all know, you know, we out here just struggling the same. We feel the same. It ain't nothing to be told, you know what I mean? We out here hustling.